Today, I'll show you how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader DC on Windows. First, open your web browser on your Windows computer. Go to the official Adobe Acrobat Reader download page. Once the page opens, look for the download button for Adobe Acrobat Reader. Before clicking download, check the extra offers on the page. Sometimes Adobe may show optional add-ons, such as browser extensions or security software. If you do not want those extras, uncheck them before continuing. Now click Download Acrobat Reader. Wait for the installer file to download. When the download is finished, open the file from your browser downloads bar or go to your downloads folder and double-click the installer. Windows may ask if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes. The Adobe Acrobat Reader installer will now open. Wait while it downloads and installs the required files. This may take a little time, depending on your internet speed and computer. When the installation is complete, click Finish. Adobe Acrobat Reader should now open automatically. If it does not open, click the Windows Start menu and search for Adobe Acrobat Reader. Open the app from the search results. You can now use Adobe Acrobat Reader to open, view, print, and comment on PDF files. To open a PDF, click File, then Open, and choose the PDF from your computer. You can also right-click any PDF file, choose Open With, and select Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you want Acrobat Reader to be your default PDF app, Windows may ask you to confirm that choice. So, to keep it simple, go to the official Adobe download page, download Acrobat Reader, open the installer, allow the installation, click Finish, and then open your PDF files with Adobe Acrobat Reader. And that's how you install Adobe Acrobat Reader DC on Windows. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.